So here we are off of Jones at Oquendo. This is a beautiful 1.3 million home in a nice, quiet neighborhood. There's no HOA, very peaceful street. It's an older area, which is good. Huge lot, a 1-acre lot. You'll see, besides the about 3,000 square foot home, there's a huge 4,000 square foot garage, or whatever you want to do with it, area built in the back, which has cooling, it has bathroom and everything. This is a dream for somebody that has RVs, cars, boats. So anyway, we'll have a look at the home. This is a like one-of-a-kind home. You just have to come and see it. It's Martin and EXP. So this is the downstairs area facing the pool in the back. Really nice patio in the back, covered so it blocks the sun, Vegas sun. This is of course the kitchen, very spacious. Look at all that natural light coming in from the back. Take you through all the rooms in the house, show you the details. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. This has a formal dining room area. Like a lot of older homes, they have a formal dining room, which a lot of people appreciate. Extra closet space in the primary area, primary bath. Notice this is on the second floor. This is the primary bedroom with the nice balcony, substantial balcony with a nice view. So after going through the bath and the bedroom, going down the hallway, the other bedrooms. This is second floor, 4-bedroom home. So this could be another primary bedroom. You could have 2 primary bedrooms. It's a game room obviously now, but it's all prepared for 2 large primary bedrooms. So showing you the other bedrooms. Obviously everything is in very good shape, as you see. So we're going to move down in a minute to the back. So this is the open area, this real grass. Which I say that in Vegas, you don't see that all the time. Look at this garden though. This is a substantial garden with a beautiful pool in the back. The setting, the landscaping is just really nice, very inviting. Everything in really nice shape, as you see. You already saw the front, now you see the back. Trees on both front and back, lush gardens. And then soon we're going to move into the highlight of this home, besides the home itself, is the back. So this is the really unusual 4,000 square foot. Right now it's a 4-bay garage. You can use it for boats, cars, race cars, motorcycles, lots of different uses for it. It also is cool. The room is cool. And on the left there, you see here, that's a storage shed, but to the left of it, you see another 1,200 square foot storage, warehouse, tool shed, whatever you want to use it for, as well as the 4,000 square foot 4-bay garage. So 4,000 square foot plus the other warehouse shed, if you want to call it that, is 1,200 square feet. And then look how big the property is. This is over a 1 acre lot, as we said. Look at that. You have a semi parked here, and there's plenty of room. Just tells you the scope and the size of this property. This is highly unusual. By the way, we're 13 minutes from the Bellagio and 13 minutes from Las Vegas International Airport. So we're really close to the city, yet it doesn't look like it, does it? It's peaceful, it's open, no HOA, and lots of room for all kinds of activities. If you have RVs, look at that. So this is Martin, 702-708-1888. Let's talk soon. Hope you enjoyed this video.